The Great Chicago Fire, which began on the night of October 8, 1871, is one of the most significant and devastating urban disasters in American history. The fire, which burned for 2 days, destroyed a large portion of Chicago, leaving an indelible mark on the city's landscape and history. The exact cause of the fire remains a mystery, though legend has it that it started when a cow belonging to Mrs. O'Leary kicked over a lantern in her barn. While this story has been widely debunked, the fire did indeed begin in a small wooden barn on the city's southwest side. Fueled by strong winds and a cityscape largely built of wood, the fire quickly spread out of control, leaping from building to building, consuming homes, businesses, and landmarks. Within hours, the fire engulfed the heart of Chicago, including the city's central business district. The blaze was so intense that it created its own weather patterns, with firestorms that sent embers flying across the Chicago River, igniting even more fires on the north side of the city. The fire raged through the night and into the next day, and by the time it was finally extinguished on October 10, over 17,000 buildings had been destroyed, and approximately 300 people had lost their lives. The aftermath of the Great Chicago Fire was catastrophic. More than 100,000 residents, nearly a third of the city's population at the time, were left homeless. However, out of the ashes of this tragedy, Chicago began a remarkable transformation. The city embarked on an ambitious rebuilding effort, leading to the development of the first skyscrapers and setting the stage for Chicago to become a major economic and cultural hub in the United States. The fire also spurred changes in building codes and fire safety practices, not just in Chicago, but across the country, as cities recognized the need for better construction standards and emergency preparedness. The Great Chicago Fire is more than just a tale of destruction. It's a story of resilience and innovation. The event catalyzed a period of rapid growth and development that ultimately shaped the modern city of Chicago, making it the world-class metropolis it is today. The city's ability to recover and rebuild from such a devastating event remains an inspiring example of human determination and ingenuity.